Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I am wearing a red t-shirt. I don't wear red very often, so I kind of want to do a fun makeup look today. I already have my hair back, I did my eyebrows, my eyes are prepped and ready, I have some lip gloss on my lips, and we're good to go. So for today's palette, I am going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is volume 2, and hopefully you guys can see that. I have my little light set up here, and I'm trying to get it a little better. So sorry if I'm a little too bright, or I don't know, like I'm just trying to work with my lights, so forgive me. Alright, so today, like I said, I'm gonna do something fun and colorful, but not too crazy, you know, so we're gonna stick it to a little bit more soft, but then I don't know, I say that, but you never know where this look's gonna take us. So let's start. I'm gonna go in with Comfort Zone, which is this shade right here. If you have this palette, go grab it, pause real quick this video and go get it. Alright, so I'm gonna be grabbing the Sigma Tapered Blending E40 brush, and with that I am going to be grabbing Comfort Zone like I said, and with that shade I am going to be applying that right here in the crease, and I'm using that as my transition shade. Alright, so I'm going to be grabbing a different brush. This is the Sigma Small Tapered Blending E45 brush, and I'm going to be going in with G Money, so this shade here, and I'm going to be applying this right here on the outer V, and then I'm going to blend it into the crease, and I'm also bringing it towards the inner part of the corner of the eye. Alright, so for the next shade, I am going to be grabbing this brush. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH41 brush. I am going to be spraying the brush just a little bit because I want to go in with this shade here. I'm going to go in with Bougie. This is going to go all over the lid. To make this eye look fun, I am going to be adding a wing liner, but I'm going to be using eyeshadow. So grabbing a brush from ColourPop, this is the E6, it's an angled brush like that. And I'm going to be going in with Living My Best Life. So I'm going to go in with red. I'm going to use a dry brush first. I want to see how it's going to perform with a dry brush, like I said. So here we go. Actually, I feel like it looks pretty good. If you want more of an intense red liner, I think I would, you know, go in and wet the brush, or maybe go in with these Inglot drops, which is something I would probably do. But I feel like this looks pretty good. So I would say no need for me to go in with the drops because this is like super duper pigmented. Look at that. Looks really good. And I'm just going to bring it a little bit towards the middle. I don't want it right here on the inner corner. I'm just going to drag it a little bit right here on the inner. There. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. Alright guys, so I think that looks really good. I didn't really have to go in and wet the brush. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with these lashes here. These are from Eylure, and they are the Indulgence Luxe XL Faux Mink Lashes. These are so good. So I'm going to apply these off camera, and then I'll be back to continue on with the rest of the makeup look. Alright you guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I finished applying my lashes, and you guys, I love these lashes. They are just like so good. Not only are they beautiful, but they're so easy to apply, and they're just honestly the best. So now I'm going to go in with face primer. I'm going to be going in with this one right here. This one is the Catrice Prime and Fine Poreless Blur Primer. Goodbye pores, long lasting, soft focus effect. So I'm going to apply this before going in with my foundation, and The foundation I'm going to be using is the Catrice, and that is the True Skin. I just tested it out in my last video. If you didn't see it, go check it out. But I am going to be using that today. And I'm using a different primer with it because I want to see how it's going to wear and feel on top of a different primer. But the primer that I use, I can't remember at this second, but I did use a different primer when I tested it out. But now I'm going to be going in with this, like I said, and using a sponge, which is my e.l.f. sponge. I actually really like the way this foundation looks on top of the primer. I love the foundation. So again, that was the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation right here. It's so good, you guys. Go get this. You need this in your life. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I'm gonna be going in with the CoverGirl True Blend, and mine's in the shade M900 Perfect Beige. To blend this out, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. sponge as well. To cream bronze, I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl. This is the Pro Conceal, and this one is in the shade Fawn. To blend this out, I am going to be going in with my Real Techniques contour brush. To finish blending everything out, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. sponge again. To set my under eye, I'm going to be going in with this essence right here. This is My Skin Perfector Loose Fixing Powder. This gives you an instant blur effect and a natural matte finish. So I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of that with my Real Techniques setting brush. And like I said, I'm just going to apply that right underneath the eye to set the concealer. Now going in with my NARS Laguna bronzer, which I'm obsessed with. I'm going to be going in with my Kenzie angled brush, and I'm just going to bronze my skin. Jumping right back into the eyes, I'm going to be grabbing this Sigma Flat Definer E15 brush, and I'm going to be going in with G Money. I'm going to grab that shade, and I'm just going to apply that on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to be grabbing this Morphe brush. This is the M562, and I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Comfort Zone, which is right here, and I'm just going to blend that right on top of the lash shade. For highlighter, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. Glow Gleam Beam palette, which I love, and I'm going to be using my Nazani Kavari brush. This is the number 5. I'm going to grab these two shades right on the top, right there, and here we go. I love this highlight. Look at that. Ooh. Look, ready? Wow. Beaming. Put some on the tip, a little on the bridge. Let's go back in with a little more. And then on the Cupid's bow. Yeah. Looks good, guys. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with some NYX Lingerie Push Up. This is the shade Push Up. There you go. And on top of that, I'm going to be going in with this lip gloss. This is the ColourPop lip gloss. I can't remember which one this is, what collection, but this is Attention Haul. Alright, so to finish off the look, you guys, I'm going to be setting my face with the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look right here. What do you think? What do you think? I told you it was going to be simple but fun. Now, if you guys enjoyed this look right here, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!